Righto guys, Cape Town Audits is on its way to Guguletu. As you can see, the board in front of us. Let's go. Guguletu is a township in South Africa, Cape Town. And to be honest with you, it's not really safe. But let's go see what's happening. How does it look? Because the media and the government don't want you to see the side of Cape Town. All they want to do is they want to show you Sea Point and Camps Bay and stuff. That's not Cape Town at all. That's a tourist destination. Let's go to NY1. NY1, here we come. Juju-le-Trois. Juju-le-Trois is Guguletu. First thing I notice, it's really busy here. It's super busy here. School people, rastas, people making business on the street. Let's go see how it looks here. Why does it have such a bad name? It's great to see SAPs. Always good to see those guys. They work very hard for us. Ambulance, okay. Yeah. So this here in front on the right is SAPs, Guguletu. And on the left, I don't know what that is. It looks like an informal settlement. They're making gates, yes. As you can see, this is law enforcement. I will reserve my comments about them, but in all our videos, as the family that's part of Cape Town Audits can see, the law enforcement, all they do is just go after electric vans, sewage things. That's the only time you really see them. But yeah, as you can see, they were flirting with a guy there now, and I'll reserve my comments. Let's go. Are you guys enjoying Guguletu? This is Googs. That was a very nice car there, eh? Very nice car. Googs in NY1. Church here, that's good. Good. It's actually looking clean here in the roads, eh? I must say, you guys are looking after your area. NY1. Fukuambe shop, Lilita, Labantu. Oh, look how nice those houses look there. Double stories on hills. Nice. Let's see what it is. And here on the corners, what is this? There's a lot of shootings and stuff going on here. A lot of shootings and stuff. Guys, what I can say, honestly speaking, is that compared to the colored areas like Menenberg and Overpark and stuff, people's walking freely. Heideveld also. People's walking freely. Houses is really nice. It just looks like a normal place, to be honest. Yeah, like a Beverly Hills, but look at these houses. And they say Googs is bad. Nah, this place didn't look lekker, man. It's free here. Right, let's go deeper. Let's go deeper into Googs. So there's a lot of foreigners or so just sitting around here by the barber shops. Foreigners by the barber shops. They like to own barber shops. Right though. Let's go, let's go. Cooks in Y1. Okay. Yeah, the houses look a bit different. Not as fancy as that houses we just came from now. Some nice kiddies playing in the road. Just enjoying their day, soccer players. Good. Hello. Good, good. Nice and friendly guys, man. Nice. Nice, nice. Love that. Yeah. Anyway, where are we going now? Let's go this way. At this point, we're just exploring Cooks. Trying to take the stigma away from it. That you can't go here, can't come here. I feel safe. There's a lot of foreigners owning shops and stuff here. I see some dirt here. Hey, no guys, man, come on, report that, call that in. Let me just do a turn around quickly. Nkambu Street. Guys, I just hope I can see some SEPs, some army, stuff like that. And here they are. Here they are, here they are. Check the army, guys. Army guys, army guys. Lekker, man. Nice, look at the people's rejoicing that the army's here. People's rejoicing that the... I actually feel like driving behind the army, but yeah, let's not do that. Let's not do that. Nice, playing some soccer and stuff here. There's the railway line on the left. Cape Flats railway line. Tambo Village is now on the other side of this, where we were now. It's not looking too clean here, guys. This road has a bit of a hectic crime. There's a lot of crime on this road, guys, because they run here onto the train tracks after they do their crime. A lot of gun violence here, all of that stuff. So guys, they're busy searching people out here. Metropolis, law enforcement. As you can see, busy searching a woman out and a man out. Searching even inside the jacket seams. Yeah. So this road is very contentious, guys. A lot of hijackings happen here. Lots of hijackings happen here. It's like a main road for these guys.